Introducing the Mr. Barbecue XL Steam Clean Griddle Brush, powered by Scrub Daddy technology. The innovative design features bristle-free construction for a cleaning head that's safer and more effective. Its core is made from Scrub Daddy's exclusive flex texture foam, which responds to water temperature, flexible when hot and rigid when cold. It's covered in an ArmorTec steel mesh outer that is resistant to breakage and rust. Prep by preheating your griddle to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Submerge the head in ice water and apply directly to the hot griddle surface. The rigid flex texture foam inside muscles through stuck-on food, then gradually softens to remove grease and debris. Tear-resistant stainless steel mesh is strong enough to tackle the toughest griddle top residue. Let that steam melt away built-up grime and make that griddle top shine. Just use warm water to clean your brush after each use.